So you have to check the consistency. Hello everyone, I'm back and today I'm going to share with you how to make a fake meat. I did a lot of research actually, be honest, and it's my first time I'm making this with you and to figure out which recipe healthier. So, and by the way, why I'm trying to make fake meat and share with you, because a year ago when I became vegan, when I decided to stop eating animal products, the second question was, okay, what to eat? And I know a lot of people have the same question, and I get a lot of messages from them to share what I eat to keep my muscle and be healthy. So yes, I'm going to try this type of meat today, and let's see. Okay, I have 2 cups of vital wheat gluten, half a cup nutrition yeast, 2 teaspoons garlic powder. So I'm mixing dries together. The first. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I already washed my hands. So now I'm going to mix it. It should be more elastic. But if I feel I need to add more broth, I'm going to add a little bit more. So you have to check the consistency. How to say?
Consistency.
Consistency. Consistency. Okay guys, you always have to check consistency. So you can see how it's elastic. So break it into chicken breast size. Okay, I have 2 pieces of shape of meat, and I'm going to simmer it in a saucepan. So what I'm going to do next, I put my no meat in a pan. I have half an onion and 1 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to mix all together. I'm gonna add 2 cups of vegetable broth. And I'm going to add enough water to fill it up. Okay guys, I'm going to cover it and bring it to boil and simmer it around 35-40 minutes in a low heat. Let's see. Yeah, feels like a meat, like a ground meat actually. It's good. It's really good actually, and I'm sure if you can grind it or add in a spaghetti or use with the sauce in different ways. Even this way, it tastes good. Healthy and a lot of protein, what we need. No, really good. I'm proud myself.